coming to you with a scrapbook haul. I a few days ago shopped on scrapbook.com and my goodies came in today. So let me show you what I got. So I picked up some liquid pearls. And so you can see that. This color is Sunflower. Carnation Red. Rouge. And Mermaid. So the Mermaid is like a teal color, and between the Rouge and the Carnation Red, the Carnation Red is more of a bright red, like a regular type of red, whereas the Rouge has a some, I don't know, kind of like more of the pink tones to it. But I already have some of the other colors. The ocean blue, the gold, the platinum, and the onyx. So I like them so much that I needed to get the other colors. So yeah, again, Mermaid is like a teal. Carnation Red, which is more like the regular color red. Sunflower, which is like a bright yellow. And a Rouge, which is more like a darker red with maybe some pink tones to it. So really neat. Love those. Next I got some more stencils. So these are from Vicky Bouton. And there are actually 3 stencils in here. So you got those there. It's like a circle with like a star in the middle. Then these are more just like a flower. And then these are the stars. This is really the one why I purchased it. It was because I needed some a stencil that had stars. So like that as well. Can't wait to play with that. I already had a stencil brush, but since I've been journaling with my kids, I think one of them may have used it, and now I can't find it. So I had to go get another stencil brush. And these you use this to get the ink or the paint or whatever it is that you're using inside the stencil. So there's that one. And this one is a 5/8. So they come in different sizes. You can get them smaller and bigger. So I got that. This is also from Vicky Bouton, and they are just puffy stickers. And so you'll see that they have stars, true story, hearts, yay, this, some hashtags, some like symbols, question marks, yes, happy memory, sweet, this happened, remember this, love ya, thank you, hi, cheese. So these are just like, you know, just to add a little bit of color to, you know, to your scrapbook layouts or to your cards. And it says it has 38 stickers. Another thing that I got that I'm excited about is these new stamps. So these stamps are good when you're doing mixed media. So they add that extra texture. I thought I had some circles, but I didn't. So this is the main reason why I got it, was for the circle and for the square. But it's really I'm really excited about it because, you know, it adds that another layer to your mixed media layouts. And that is from Bo Bunny. Another thing, so when it comes to doing layouts, I like the designing and, you know, putting together the layouts. But when it comes to making the title, I am challenged. You know, it's hard for me to come up with a title. So I like when there's already titles for you and all you just have to do is take it off. So I went and I found some more. So these are from Thickers. And this one is Adventure. And it says Adventure, Smile, Beautiful, Vacay, Road Trip, Explore, My Friend. Then it has some other puffy stickers. Celebrate, Getaway, Love, Moments, Family, Oh Happy. So that was nice. Then they have, so these are more, they're thick. These are more thin and they're like plastic. But this is also from Thickers and it's called Summertime. And it says Explore, XOXO, Live, Laugh, Love, Enjoy the Ride, Sweet, Summer, Summer Vibes, Vacation, Summertime, Love, Sunny and Bright, Sunshine, Let's Go, Best Day Ever, and Life is Beautiful. And this one is from Thickers. So yeah, I really like these because I'm challenged when it comes to titles. This one is also from Thickers, and this is called Celebrate. And what's neat about these is the silver lining. So this one says Celebrate, Happy, Treat Yourself. I guess that goes with that, but happy day, cake, party, hooray, happy birthday. Then you got some cakes and presents and hats. Then on the other side, you have happy, happy, a present, birthday, yay, a slice of cake, hooray for cake, yay, hooray, and party. And then you got a birthday cake hat. I mean, a birthday hat. So I really like that, especially the silver lining. Just makes it a little more fancier, just really nice. And then these are, again, now you're dealing with your foam. These are from Thickers, and it's gold. And it says family, love, home, thanks, my friend, pretty, hello, congrats, beauty, smile, and happy. And this one is called Casey. So, again, love these. Anytime I see any Thickers that have a title for you already, I'm picking it up because I need those. It saves me time. Another thing that I purchased was this from Thickers. Now, I have the other two, but I realized, when I was shopping, I saw that they had another shape. So these are good for when you're doing titles. You put your Thickers on the edge, and then it allows you to move your title around. And then when you're ready to put it down, you put your template down, press down on the title, and then flip it up, and then your title's down. So they come in various designs. But what I was really looking for is the half circle and the straight one. I like that. It's really flexible. And then it comes in this neat little pocket. I keep the other two collections with me as well near my desk so I can use them. But they're from Thickers, and they are alphabet alignment guide. And it comes with 5 different ones. So really neat. I really like them. It even gives you instructions inside on how to use it if you've never used them before. And then I got some free gifts. That's one of the things I really like about shopping at scrapbook.com is if you shop there, there's always some type of free gift that they throw in with your order. And there's always sales going on as well. But one of the free gifts I got was some paper. So these are from Sizzix. They're called Bright-Ons, and you get 5 of these papers. Let me see. It is 6 by 6. And I just thought it was regular paper, but then as I opened it, I saw that, I don't know if you can see that, but they're iridescent. They're shiny on one side. Actually, they're shiny on both sides. And so you get 5 different colors. You get the dark pink, the light teal, like a black, an ivory, and then a light pink. So really nice. Got it for free for shopping. Another thing that I got for free, I just had to pay for the shipping and handling of it, was the scrapbook.com magazine that's called Scrapbook and Cards. It normally goes for $7.99, and they throw it in for free. But you in the magazine you get one of the backs all the ads, but they give you layout ideas, card ideas, just really neat, good quality magazine. So it looks like, and this one they have some spring and Easter layouts, because spring is just around the corner. So just really, really pretty. If you haven't shopped at scrapbook.com, you want to do that. Just, I like to go on there every now and then and just, see if I can get the magazine. Because you can get a lot of neat ideas. Here's some card ideas. There's like a little shaker. So it's just really neat. I like that one. That was really nice. Let me flip through it for you. And it's only while supplies last. So I will tell you, you can't always go there and get the free magazine, because sometimes it's not available, or there's no more. Because like I said, they do throw it in free. I don't know if there's a minimum purchase to get the magazine. I can't remember. But I always buy enough that I always get it. I guess I must meet the minimum because I get it. So not only do they show you the layouts, but they show you the sketches at the bottom that they're making those layouts from. They're just really neat. They also, will show you the new product that's coming out. Or the new collections. Pocket Play. So those of you who do Project Life or Project Pages. Design Challenge. And then this is some new stuff that's coming out. So this is when they let you know about the essentials or things that have come out that you might want to purchase. Just really neat. A lot of, you can read some of their little articles. There you go. all for free and free. So that is what I purchased at scrapbook.com. Thank you for watching.